Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting at the rear wheel removed and car safely on stands. First, loosen the top nut while the arm is supported. This prevents the stud from spinning. Use penetrating oil and a 6-point socket for grip. If the link has a hex on the stud, hold it with an Allen or Torx to stop rotation. Once the top nut is cracked loose, move to the lower nut. This is often under load, so be prepared to use a breaker bar and steady, controlled force. Now take the old link out. Back off both nuts fully and pull the linkage free. Tap the stud out gently if it's seized. Compare the new part to confirm length and bushing placement. Mismatched orientation changes sway behavior. Slide new bushings and washers onto the stud in the same order. Thread nuts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once both ends are in place and finger tight, lower the suspension slightly so it sits at normal ride height before final torquing. Finish by lowering the vehicle so the suspension is loaded to its usual position. This ensures bushings seat correctly. Then torque both nuts to the manufacturer's spec. Too loose causes clunks, too tight binds the link. Refit the wheel, lower to the ground, and perform a short, slow test drive with turns and stops to listen for noise. If you hear clunks or feel looseness, stop, recheck torques and bushing order. Often reversing a misplaced washer fixes the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.